So, good afternoon, guys. Today, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify the formation of a new substance by using the evidence of a possible chemical change, such as production of gas or change in temperature. Some safety rules. So for this lab, everybody, if you could place your backpacks at the side counter over here. Go ahead and do that. You just need a writing. Be sure to report any accidents, spills, or injuries to me immediately, and there will be no tasting of the lab materials today. You're going to be placed into groups of two, and then you're going to play rock, paper, scissors to pick your two designated roles. So if I can have Marcia and Anna, you guys pair up, and Ashley and Cassie and Michael and Sarah. Go ahead and play rock, paper, scissors. Shoot. Yeah, we'll do rock, paper, scissors. Shoot. Okay, so pick your two roles that you want.
Materials and maintenance. Got it.
Yeah, materials and maintenance.
I'll do materials. Okay, so the materials manager, if you can come pick up your basket right over here. Blue one, lighter blue. Here are your exploration guides you'll be using for these activities. I have the materials manager go ahead and inventory your basket. There's two different checklists, one for activity 1 and one for activity 2.
I'm going to assume that the vinegar is in here.
Wait, vinegar is in the water bottle.
Got it. Should I check them on here?
Yes,
I'm gonna actually
please.
check these things. Check.
Is everybody, you have everything? Are you missing anything? Great, okay. So for the first activity, you're going to use the cup of water, the thermometer, and the antacid. You'll make your initial observations. So the recorder, you could go ahead and record your initial observations now.
Water. Clear. It feels a little so clear.
You're also going to measure the temperature. So use a thermometer, just press the power button and place it in the water.
Still good. 68.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
Any other observations?
Okay, once you're finished with that portion, the primary investigator can perform the procedure, which is listed on your exploration guide. Right, thank you, Anna. If you guys could answer the question about your predictions of what will occur when you add the antacid. So remember, you're going to want to record the temperature, so keep the thermometer in the water.
Oh no. Look at that.
Oh, it's dropping.
Okay.
It is bubbling.
Somehow
Okay, yeah.
it's had a temperature decrease. Yeah.
So did the appearance of the water change?
Yes.
What changed, Ashley?
It's busy.
Busy? Definitely.
Why is it going down?
The temperature is decreasing.
Yes. So why do you think the temperature is decreasing? Anybody? Anna, why do you think the temperature is decreasing? Why do you think the temperature is decreasing?
I think the temperature is decreasing because there's a chemical change going on.
I
Okay,
think
we
it's
can do that yet.
As much as.
I think it's because the bubbles are trapping the heat in campus kids.
Sure, yeah. It's a good hypothesis.
So,
I was
I mean,
Yeah, as the bubbles come up, the heat's released. I was like, because the bubbles are on the
Yeah,
side
it's
now.
like
It's still going down.
What sense am I in?
Anything else, any other observations?
Yeah.
Is the tip drop?
Oh, well,
That's like the
I didn't realize it was that close.
You can see.
Water cooler here?
Well, you can't really feel
Water.
it with the cup though.
It's not
You
as
can?
clear.
You can't on the cup.
It's a pretty
It's not
good.
as clear,
Yeah,
you
it's-
know?
it's
It's
not.
like,
It's a bubbly.
So make sure you're answering all the additional questions for activity 1.
Can we have a paper towel?
The appearance it's bubbly. It doesn't
So
look any
there's
less
bubbles,
clear.
bottles.
Throwing another job.
Yes.
Something's causing. It's well, we know that it's dissolved.
Further a change of some sort.
So
Yeah.
the powder is
Yeah,
essentially
it's all
just
Because it's now bubbly.
trying to think about like sixth grade. Powder's disappearing.
What'd you say?
Or the water,
Yeah,
the antacid salt, oh wait, I'm a sixth grader.
Antacid is dissolved.
I was gonna say the soluble.
Yeah, soluble's a ways away.
Solubility.
Is everybody finished with those questions?
I was like,
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So for the second activity, you should have a balloon. The baking soda is already in the balloon. Vinegar in a water bottle. The vinegar isn't already inside the water bottle. And go ahead and make your initial observations about the vinegar inside the water bottle.
It's
Clear, smelly.
Okay, so
yes, I don't know the engine makes. It looks like water.
Yeah.
That smells like spray. It's like vinegar and spray.
Oh, you figured it out.
What does the balloon look like right now?
Wafted.
It looks
Yeah,
go.
balloon observation.
It's small right now.
Yeah,
It's
it's
not
small,
like blown up.
and there's powder inside.
Yellow, it feels like a it feels like a stress ball.
There's powder.
Been stress ball
Yes.
Or
vibes.
maybe sand.
Rubbery. Green.
Make sure you also predict what will occur when you mix the two.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Well, my big brother did this as a science experiment, so I already know what's gonna happen.
So what do you predict will occur?
It's gonna bubble.
It's gonna, it'll run through the volcano.
It's gonna
Yeah, I
bubble.
was like, I couldn't be,
Wow,
my sixth grade
interesting.
project, it's just gonna be.
Okay.
Some volcano somewhere is gonna erupt because of this.
Okay, so if I can have everyone's attention over here, I'm going to demonstrate how to put the balloon on the water bottle. You're going to spread the top of the balloon. It's a little hard sometimes. Place it over the top. And then you'll move the rubber band down to secure the balloon to the water bottle. So actually, you should take the rubber band off first.
Okay.
It's too late, my pride.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Family did.
Do you need some help, Michael?
No, I got it.
Okay. Just wanna make sure I'm not touching.
I'm not smart.
This is remarkably
Do you need some
difficult.
help?
I'm just being an
Yeah, so try not to release the baking soda yet. Okay, we have an extra.
Okay, one more.
Well, let's see.
Here, try this one, because that looks dangerous.
That's a good one. You doing it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should have put this earlier first. Aw, dang. How did that happen?
You okay, Marcia?
Yeah, maybe. It's okay, we're gonna make it work.
Try not to let it gives you. There
So
it
we're
is.
trying to do like.
Sweet.
Oh, I think this needs
Yeah,
some.
you know what, I have an
That's
idea.
why.
If you can't get it.
I think we
I'll
got
do
it.
that.
Okay.
Okay, is everybody ready?
Yes.
So the primary investigator, if you want to tip the balloon over to release the baking soda into the vinegar,
Sweet.
make sure you record your observations.
Those are the ones off. Oh my god.
I'll hold this on here just because I'm scared a little bit. That's cool.
Nice.
Science.
Okay, record your observations.
You know, these make really cool like Halloween decorations. Like put like a sheet over it or something, and you get little like ghosts.
So what happened to the balloon?
It blew up.
It blew up.
Deflated.
Why do you think that is?
The air bubbles
A
that were.
reaction.
They release gas.
Oh look, this is
came
white
out.
at the bottom
Release
now
gas.
too.
Interesting.
It's white at the bottom.
But is it white?
It used to be clear and now it's white.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
but is
the
it white
vinegar
because of
color
And
is
it's also
now
kind of cold.
white.
And it's colder?
I'm blind.
Oh, it is cold.
Oh.
Because there's
The balloon
clearly.
got inflated.
Does anybody else notice their water or their vinegar feels colder?
This is pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Why is that?
It's like.
What's that?
This teacher.
Why did that
My balloon
happen?
never deflate.
What do you think? Why do you think that happened?
Some kind of reaction happening.
Okay. Take that. Make sure you answer all of the additional questions on your exploration guide. You know the balloons are distracted.
It's vinegar, right?
What happened? What
Yeah.
Your parents are the worst.
was in first?
Yes, it's like white.
What does infer mean?
What does infer mean?
Yeah, infer.
So what do you think from these observations? What do you think happened?
I
It's good to
think
put that word
Yeah.
Baking
in.
soda.
the yeah mixed together.
Star. Yeah.
And, I mean the bottle like just got inflated too.
Yes.
They made our gas.
They make gas. Because they make gas because the balloon is inflated.
So what did you guys infer?
The baking soda dissolved in the vinegar and
What's
released
the favorite
air.
bank?
Okay.
I don't know. But I feel like it's really
Is everybody finished with your exploration guide?
Oh, no, materials and maintenance. Yes,
ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, so if the maintenance director could begin the cleanup process, all the liquids can go in the sink. They're not dangerous or a potential hazard. Also, the materials manager will make sure everything's accounted for. So go ahead and dump all the liquids in the sink. Maybe take the balloon off over the sink.
Yeah. It didn't make it, but nailed it.
Doesn't it sounds very citrus.
Can we just throw this other balloon away? It's like crazy.
Yeah, no, it definitely smells like Sprite.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Do you want to share that observation you just made, Michael?
Yeah, it smells like Sprite. Citrus.
Interesting.
Is it technically Sprite?
Yeah, Sprite is just baking soda in
It's fake
vinegar.
Sprite.
That's why it's bubbly. Oh my gosh.
That's what it's getting at.
I'll make that good.
This is clean and recyclable.
Oh. I just lost her again.
That's okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and just lost this out too. Oh, yeah, I gotta do that one too.
y'all are finished, remember the materials manager can return the basket.
Should we throw away this?
Table. Yeah, you can throw away the packet. Okay.
I'm gonna put the book out.
Okay.
Take it,
Ashley, by the way, today's your eyewash day.
Ah, dang. You just did it. I just think not really.
I hate this chair. This floor.
Okay, to be explained, chemical change. A chemical change is a process where one or more substances are altered into one or more new and different substances. So that's our name. Evidence of a chemical change include production of a gas and or temperature change. Common evidence of the production of a gas includes smoke, vapor, or bubbles. Explanation. I don't have these yet, do you? Okay. I have one for everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so the first one, if you could just define a chemical change in your own words and share your definition with your partner.
It's like breaking down a substance into one substances.
Would anybody like to share their definition?
Makes a new substance when a chemical change occurs.
Okay. Anybody else?
I put using chemicals to mix and change things.
Okay. And number 2, do you think activity 1, the Alka-Seltzer and water represented a chemical change? And explain why. Did anybody want to share their answer for that?
I put yes because it was gas and packaging.
Okay. And do you think activity 2, the vinegar and baking soda represented a chemical change? Explain why. Number 4, what do you think are some other examples of a chemical change and why? Okay, so the questions 1 through 3 on your explanation guide, by a show of hands, who thinks activity 1 represented a chemical change? Okay, what about activity 2? Okay, did anybody want to share their answers for number 4? Other examples, yeah.
I said a car using gas because the gas comes out as exhaust.
Okay, anybody else?
The icy hot packs for like sore backs
Okay, because why?
because of all the temperature changes.
Okay. And number 5, when ice melts into water, is this an example of chemical change? Explain why or why not. Okay, and then you can discuss that with your partner. And if anybody wants to share.
Because you can no reason to.
Did anybody want to share their answer?
I put no because you can refreeze water and make it back into ice.
Okay. Anybody else?
And put no because it's the same substance.
Okay. That's all we have.
Can we take a break?
Oh, you know what, that is actually.
Now, this is the popcorn chair. Cassie, is that you? No.
I'll take responsibility for you. Do y'all want popcorn?